This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Probably the withdrawal symptoms might have caused some problem in the vital organs. That's not the cause of death. Because as per the CID report, which is elaborately extracted the post-mortem report, shows that extensive external injuries, bleeding wounds, scalp was broken, forearm was broken. It was kept pending, awaiting the chemical examiner's report, which says there is no toxic substance.
Yes.
So therefore, it is not a case where he was poisoned or
no.
So yeah, otherwise might have been a average healthy male on the date of arrest.
Lordship.
On what date they were arrested?
My lord, they have been arrested. Different dates, my lord. So far, the number one is concerned. The said person was arrested in connection with Baripur PS case number 13-23-7-2022. First
What
one.
Date of death?
Abdul Razzaq.
Abdul Razzaq date of death.
Date
of death all.
And my lord, Gopal Chandra PS on 25-7-22 along with Hassan Swanso or Dokhin Dinajpur. The accused person's date ko mara gelo.
He died on the 29th. Family was informed on 30th. Within a period of 10 days.
But then CID normally it's only the inspector who investigates. There is no higher authority. Please ask your officer.
Higher authority.
Higher authority. The superintendent of police is there. The DSP, SP.
This writ petition has been filed by an association. By two. This is a public interest writ petition filed by two petitioners. The first of whom is an organization called Association for Protection of Democratic Rights. And the second petitioner is, who is the second petitioner?
The secretary.
This is one Ranjit Kumar Sir, SUR, who is the secretary of the first petitioner organization. The writ petition has been filed for issuance of a writ of mandamus to forthwith hand over the investigation to the Central Bureau of Investigation for an independent inquiry into the cause of death of the under trial prisoners. According to the petitioners, the cause of death of 4 under trial prisoners was unnatural and suspicious. And they would allege that on account of injuries inflicted upon them after they were arrested and in police custody was the cause of death. Directions were issued in this writ petition from time to time. And pursuant to an earlier direction, the inspector of police CID, inspector of police, criminal investigation department, West Bengal had filed a report dated 21/8/2023. It is not in dispute that all the four persons who are since deceased were arrested on different dates in different case numbers. Registered with the Baripur police station, Bajbaj police station. And Mahestala police station. We have carefully perused after we have elaborately heard the learned senior advocate appearing for the petitioner and the learned senior government counsel for the state, and carefully perused the report submitted by the Inspector of Police, CID West Bengal, dated 21/8/2023. We are of the prime facie view that the cause of death of the 4 under trial prisoners could not have been stated to be on account of their habitual usage to certain
এগুলো বোধহয় file আছে।
narcotic substances
এগুলো বোধহয় file আছে।
/
না
drugs.
না কারণ এটা তো
Here of the prime view as
এই যদি মেনশন করে না আমরা
upon going through the
হলো বারাই হলো
details furnished in the postmortem report of all the 4 under trial prisoners who died. The postmortem report clearly shows external injuries and which are evidence of vital reaction.
এই রিপোর্টটা
Thus, we are unable to persuade ourselves to accept that the cause of the death of the 4 under trial prisoners was on account of the fact that they were addicted to certain drugs or psychotropic substances. Therefore, we are of the view that the investigation has to be done by a senior officer since the allegation is against the police officials. Thus, we are not satisfied with the report as drawn by the Inspector of Police, CID West Bengal, dated 21st August 2023, and therefore we scrap the said report and the report stands accordingly set aside. Though the prayer sought for by the writ petitioner is to transfer the investigation to a central agency, we are not inclined to do so, since the matter can be inquired into by a higher official of the Criminal Investigation Department of West Bengal. Therefore, we direct the who heads the Criminal Investigation Department. There is a DG, the ADG.
না হেড
Head কে আছে?
হেড তো এডিজি স্যার
এডিজি লর্ডশিপ
We direct the Additional Director General of Police, Criminal Investigation Department of West Bengal, to nominate an officer higher in rank than the rank of Inspector of Police, CID West Bengal, to pass a fresh investigation into the death of the 4 under trial prisoners and proceed to take action in accordance with the law. It is a matter of record that the state has paid compensation of rupees 5 lakhs each to each of the families of the deceased under trial prisoners.
চাকরি পেয়েছে কেউ?
The investigation officer who is to be nominated by the Additional Director General of Police, CID West Bengal, should be chosen in such a manner that the officer is an young and dynamic officer
তার মানে
who will not be persuaded or swayed by any statements made earlier, but will conduct a dispassionate inquiry into the matter, regardless of the fact that there are allegations against the officers of the police department of the West Bengal State Police. The investigation shall be completed within a period of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of the server copy of this order, and a final report be filed before the appropriate.
And since my learned friend was saying that on next Thursday he will come up with that report.
With regard to the, in this writ petition, a direction was issued on 22/8/2023, directing directing the DGP to issue necessary directive throughout the state to ensure that CCTV cameras
সেটা তো হয়েছে।
which have been installed in various criminal stations are functional with appropriate recording device. The Learned Government Council reports that necessary directives have been issued and the order and direction has been complied with, but does not have a report. But a report as directed has not been filed. The direction issued on 22/8/2023 is to ensure that transparency is maintained, more particularly in police stations. And it was issued after taking a serious note of the matter that the CCTV footages in the Bajbaj police station could not be provided as the CCTV cameras are not in working condition. Therefore, it is for the Director General of Police to monitor the matter, and it's not for this court to advise such a senior officer as to how and in what manner the police stations have to function. Therefore, we are of the fond hope that the Director General of Police shall take serious note of this matter and invite periodical reports from the various police stations as regards the installation of CCTV cameras, its functionality, as well as the functionality of the recording device. In the event, if any of the police stations do not abide by the directions, disciplinary action shall be initiated against all those officers who are in charge of those police stations. Next.
Yes.
Grateful, my lord. Well, the matter will come up after 8 weeks.
No, not required. They will file a final report.
My lord is disposing of the matter. No, great.
Great.